Okay, so I am slowly but surely getting my studio back together. Obviously, you can tell my camera is still a little out of whack because I don't have the whole background that you can see. So I have to work on that for you guys. But I wanted to make a real quick video for you guys. So let me know if audio sounds good. I'm going to be working on improving the video here soon. Got some other stuff coming in, but wanted to real quickly kind of just talk real quickly about what I see is going on with SHIB and kind of some things that I think that we are going to be seeing as far as in the next month or so. We're about to roll into September. So let's get into this. As always, hit that subscribe button. Please drop a like on this video. I'm working for you over here and trying to get my life back in some semblance of order and more good stuff I promise to come as far as trying to deliver you guys an even better experience here on the channel. Okay. So again, crypto down, huge shock, right? Not a lot moving. Bitcoin down 1.5, Ethereum kind of similar, Dogecoin down almost 2 points, SHIB down almost 3 points. Okay, so SHIB's getting harder. I've talked to you guys about this. SHIB tends to move a little bit more aggressively, both in the positive and the negative. From the standpoint of what's going on with it, it is a gateway crypto, as I've told you guys before. It's one of those cryptos that it benefits from being a global national crypto brand right up there with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yep, I definitely will stand by that statement in that it has massive global awareness and global recognition, if you will. Okay. So, from the standpoint of what's going on, here's what we know. We've got some things playing out. Shibarium back up and running. We're good there. Great stuff as far as kind of a really nice relationship starting to develop with the Polygon executive team. That's really good stuff. Shibarium, all of the testing is looking really good. We got really good stuff coming. So we're starting to see that move up. Did an earlier video today talking about the fact that there's over $1.3 million in TVL, total value locked, as far as on Shibarium. You're going to see that number continue to rise exponentially. We don't really have any clarity yet into what is going to be happening in any capacity as far as the fee structure and how much of that will ultimately burn Bone on a daily basis. I'm not Bone, but burn Shiba Inu tokens on a daily basis. There you go. And you know what? Just mentioning Bone, I haven't looked at Bone today to kind of get an insight into what is going on with the price. So let's take a look at that together. Kind of what I expected to see. Bone is been pushed down a little bit, I think, because the overall market, it's in the last 7 days peaking at about $1.42, and right now we're at that 126. I still think it's a fantastic buy. I have continued to add to my Bone portfolio, if you will. That sounded weird, but you know what I'm talking about. All right, so that's where we're at. I mean, quite frankly, cards on the table. You guys know me. I don't mince a lot of words. There's not a whole heck of a lot going on right now as far as the overall market conditions. And if we look at kind of what's going on as far as trading view, and this is a 4-hour chart. Each of these candles that you see here is 4 hours. Now, we did get a momentum up flash right here. You can see it. It flashed about 2 days ago, give or take, right there. So we'll see if that continues to develop as far as this guy right here. Okay, moving up, right? That's kind of what we're looking for. Is will we continue to kind of see that? Now, I expect us to do this. I expect to see really a consolidation going sideways. That's what I'm expecting, more of this right there. That's what I think is going to happen. And so this momentum up here is moving in accordance to, slight gains, and then probably going to be flashing a momentum down here and then in the near future. You guys know this is my software X1 algo. There's a link in the description below if you want to pick it up. There's a discount down there, and I want to show you some earlier. You can see it's given you little minor momentum ups right here. Like here's one that, was about a 13% move up right there. Here's one that right here was probably about a 9% up. And if you're looking at kind of trading, that kind of deal, like look at this one right here. Now this one's interesting. So this one that happened back on July 23rd, after the candle painted right there. Kind of we went all the way up on the peak and then kind of gave back just a little bit. So, about a 20% gain. That's really what trading indicator software does. It gives you insight into when to buy and when to sell. You don't always need to be in a massive hodl scenario. And I remember I told you I'm a big believer in you have a big, huge bag, and that's the bag you set aside and you don't really touch it. It's a long-term hodl, diamond hands bag, if you will. You're gonna hold that for years. It's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, whatever your makeup is that you like. But then there's nothing wrong with doing a little short-term trading, things like that. Okay, and that's where an indicator comes into play. So there's a link in the description below. It takes you to my website right here. You can get a discount code down below. That basically takes it to $37. Look, I give you a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So bottom line, you can try this thing before you do got to buy it, but you can try it. And if you don't like it, I give you your money back. So you have zero risk here, zero, zero, zero. And the links in the description below work with all of the plans. So check it out, pick it up. I'll see you. Bye.